Happy Easter! Today we're going to be making the lemon drop martini. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be making an Easter drink and we're going to be making the lemon drop martini.
Yes. So we're going to start out with a shaker with a little bit of ice, and we're going to drop in 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice, cut and squeezed right from a fresh lemon.
Yep.
Boom.
All right, next we're going to be adding the Tito's vodka. I'm going to add 2 shots of that. Okay.
Then we're going to put in a little simple syrup, which is sugar and water boiled together to make the syrup. Boom.
Next, I'm going to be adding in the triple sec, and I will add in 3/4 of a shot of that. All right, and that drink is done. Now we shake.
Yeah, shake it.
All right, should be done. We're gonna strain this one because it's a martini. Looks good. And
lastly, we're gonna garnish with a Peeps. And we're not just gonna cut them and put them on the edge. He's gonna take a little swim.
oh,
Boom.
Oh yeah.
There he is.
There he is. He's floating around in there.
All right.
All right.
Let's give him a little sip.
Taste it. That's good. Very good.
Oh yeah.
This is why we drink.
This is why we drink.
Happy Easter, and we'll see you next week.
Happy Easter.
Bye.
Bye.